Welcome to Vintage Cameras and Film Tips, where we look at yesterday's vintage cameras and today's film photography. I'm Dennis, and today we're going to be looking at loading 4x5 film. This is a Lesco Regal film holder we have here, but no matter what the name is up here, they all load the same. So let's get started here. First off, pull your dark slide out about an inch. That's all it has to be. Enough to lower this down. And as you can see, this has a groove in it here. And then you have a groove over here on the sides. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what your film's going to go underneath right here. So that's the reason you only have to open it this far, just so you get access to this, because your film will slide underneath the slide and you don't have to worry about it. But so you have this groove here, and then your film slides down in that groove, and that makes it light tight. We open it back up about an inch, just enough to clear. We drop this down. I've got an old picture here, and you'll see there's notches, and all the notches, you always have it to where you want to have your right index finger on the notch, so you know the film's going in correctly. All different films have different types of notches and everything else. This one here has a bunch of different notches, and I'm not real sure if you can't tell the type of film it is from these notches. I'm not real sure. But anyway, remember, you're doing this in the dark, but it's very easy in the dark also. So you have your film, you got your index finger on here in the dark. So you just, with this down, you just start it and it'll slide right underneath. Push it up so it clears here where your tab's going to go. Push the tab down, slide your dark slide, you're good to go. Then you also have latches up here, so you can latch so you can't pull the dark slide out. One for each side. Also, you're out taking a picture. You have your dark slide out to expose the picture. You've snapped your picture. Now, when you put the dark slide back in, you're going to put the dark side down or up. Slide it back in. Now, this is an indicator that this is an exposed film, and you can put your little tab back over so you can't slide it out accidentally. Now you've got an exposed film and you've got an unexposed film. When you use this one, when you put it back in, put the dark side up so you know it's exposed also. So that's it for loading 4x5 film into a 4x5 holder. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Grab your camera, some film, and get out and take some pictures. And I'll see you in the next video.